Good morning, Paris. Blessed morning to you, Jamaican morning. You saw it sound bright and something, but guess what? We in September and every evening. Today is Tuesday. You know, I nearly say best Wednesday to you, Paris. But I kind of look foggy. I don't know what I'm going. So blessed morning to you all. And I hope wherever you are, when the little vlog you reach you might in your bed, you know, and cock up and all of that. So, today is another day. A long time I don't see me a vlog. I don't know my water was. Oh, and it gets worse. So, today now, it's another day. Today is the 10th. Yes, and I haven't had water since last Tuesday, which would have been, I think last Tuesday was the 3rd. Yes? Last Tuesday from 5 a.m. last Tuesday, I have not had a drip of water in my pipe. I don't know why nobody not send out no bulletin. I don't know. So I've been living. I can't even tell you. So look here. Today I decide to tackle the water thing big and broad, big and serious. Because the rains have been falling since Friday. I'm still not seeing no water. So that's what is happening. Hope you're having a blessed day wherever you are. Hope that everything is good with the fam, kids going out of school and all of that. And as I said, I did say good morning, good afternoon, good night. I hope it be a night. It reach you at night or whenever you want to cock up in your bed and I watch me. So look here. I go put on I go attack some water something in the day. So I go show you how I go deal with it today because I see yesterday the rain blazed and the thunder come lick out the light. It was strong. And at the end of it, I didn't have water. So guess what? I'm going to show you what I'm going to do today. I'm going to see it. So you can comment below what you think and how it will work out. Flip the camera now, eh? So down here, Sapari. These are my look since last week. These were what we normally full along with our barrels. So now nothing is here to full. So dad friend and help him out little. So Jerry got carrot in him car, but Jerry car can take like high up jugs and stuff. So I feel with supplier we don't get there yet. So dad friend I help him out little. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be the second time. So this is where we gonna pack them in a jerry car. Now see me have one barrel right there so when I set up at the end. I couldn't take it no more when I see the rain fall Friday. I draw out one of the barrel and put this so. But it's coming from off the top of the roof. And can I tell you all the way it's at that at the end? And can I tell you something? The roof, this is the length of the little part of the roof here. Eh? So, when me a plan for do today, I have 2 more barrels. I go set them. Because what at this part of the roof, the water pitch off nothing now. But I have like probably 1 barrel under the window and I take a note. And probably another one right here, so. Line up underneath the AC. And all of that, and see the kitchen door right there, so someone can able to come take out the water. That water, I'm going to be using it to flush the toilet. Because you know, say, guess what? The toilet flushing is very critical, Paris. Please comment to when you don't have running water and to flush here. Because remember, so the water come down from the toilet tank to flush the toilet properly. So when you have to take a 5-gallon bucket of water and flush the toilet, it's not properly done. So if you don't know where the house is gonna smell so funky, plus we don't have no water if we could do a cleaning from when. Okay, so look at me here now. I got deal with it. I ain't got calico. So what I gotta do, I gotta go back to the good old country days. Okay? I'm gonna go get calico and I'm gonna go set my calico. I gotta show you that part how I do it. So good old dad I forgot because sweep after by 12 the rain I go start. So me carry on because this video or this vlog is all about getting some water operation set up. Me talk to you in a bit. Yeah, I was saying if you're a person that usually you know, waste water and stuff, you just need to take precaution and all of that. You see what I'm saying? So this vlog or this video is about me getting some water all set up. The rains are falling and it hard for look. When you look, you see say rain fall, and when you look, rain a tear out a door. And when you look, you can't get water in your pipe and all of that. So I go work on something. This vlog is about how I go work on to get some water. I'll start it out until the water comes back in the pipe. Don't know when. But catch you in the next clip. Hey, morning. Say morning, Thumper. You can't help with the water? Say good morning. I thump that in a party. You say you big man. Stand up. Stand up now. You can't help with the water? Thumper. Bun bun, say hi. Say good morning. I say you say good morning. Eh? You hungry? Hey, I'm not get breakfast yet, Parry. Thump. Bun bun. Say good morning. Ah, bun bun, that ton big man. By the angler, by the whatever. God. Yeah, well, aye. You know, so sometimes when you have the old debris from the house stuff, and that make the house leak sometimes. Hey! Sting operation to catch rainwater for house stuff, Jamaican style. Whee!
Left for call him. You ready? Oh, yeah.
Hold it now? Yeah, hold it. But he look narrow, man. Where you think that? You know narrow?
I know this never use them.
Oh, but me no know.
Give me a hole around it for me. Give me the camera and hole around it. Hold this up for me. No, that's next to part.
Here, sir?
Yeah. Carry back to me.
Okay. So what is far away right here?
Make the camera catch me, not you.
I mean, make the camera catch
No,
me.
make the camera catch me.
The camera, you're not sure.
So what police are look for you? Wait, I did. Oh. No, make the camera catch me. No, this you have to carry back a little more. So right here, so this too short. You have to carry it. Because remember the pressure of the water.
It's alright.
Carry it over a little more, man.
Yeah, no, let me wait, hold on.
Give me your eyes and bear witness to see when the pressure of the water take it.
Yeah, it go on, go down
Yeah,
some
so you
more.
have to carry over, flush it over some more. You might have to tie it still, you know, but if you, even if you tie it, the pressure of the water different, you know, and you have to kind of sink it. You know what I say, because
You don't feel like I cut it up too much?
Alright, remember. I saw this thing, you know, this stubborn, you know. It's the stubbornest little man me ever met in my life. May I tell you, see me.
Wow, waste my material.
No, we don't waste material.
Yeah, waste my material.
Me can't waste material. Alright.
Man, I want
we
waste material.
Parry them. Oh, to see it, me know say, because you see, if you pressure and it not carry it down, it will stay there and not drain down, and then it will come back up and then we end up not getting no water.
The man say I waste material.
They never do this yet. What we are doing here, I don't think the see it already? Don't say anything. I'm just assisting as he tells me to. No, but it have to have a, yeah.
No, well, let's also
Me no, me just let it go. Me hold it.
Yeah, let it go.
That looks so sketchy. Yeah, God.
Go on the system now.
Alright, one down, two to go. Alright.
Two to go, which two to go?
You're not telling one there?
No, sir, just this.
Alright. Alright, Parry. See, we set up the two barrel, the one don't mention. That same not tie that one, because that one was out there originally. But Kimmy, wait about this. You know if you said that one is too short. You know it's experienced. You have to them know long time side the bear the camera. But anyhow, Parry, you know comment because
the man say him now waste material.
Me I go show you know when the water catch how it go, but me swear to God, say when the pressure of the water take this.
Yeah, where's the rain so far?
Yeah,
Where's the rain fall so hard from the other day?
No, alright here, so me I set it in a cause a good amount of pressure come down here, so you know. True right here, so right now this so the wall them.
Yeah.
We all laugh at. Yeah, I'm not afraid, I'm not ashamed. I'm here. We are chat about. So look at this. The pressure will come down here, so it's really hard. I saw it yesterday. But anyway, barriers, so I set up them 2 barriers because it's $2,000 when the truck come. And none don't come around here yet. It's $2,000 per barrel to fill it. And I don't know where water come from, so I have $4,000 this. So guess what? I'm going to get some $4,000 off of my roof. Get me a gallon of bleach. See you. Who know we see it for? That's the next clip. So Parry, the rain come down. I mean, you see it, Dad. It now go through the I don't know if you can see that. This is like just one of my barrels right here. It's not falling really hard. And that's the lightning. The lightning is really hard, Parry. So I'm just showing you this little clip to say I know it's not falling hard, but a little is catching in the bar. But I think that Dad chose the wrong calico. The water, you know, you need a piece. We need calico where the water go through faster. But nevertheless, it not fall hard. If you hear the thunder, sound like more thunder more than rain. But me I catch up in my 2 barrel. I think you can see through the grill. I hope you are seeing. Yeah. So me showing you the next clip how much me catch and all of that. I'm trying to help myself with this Jamaican water woes. Okay, Barry, I could see how it goes. I'm 10 months. I'm tell Dad say one of the things did too sharp. But let's see how it goes. We're catching a little water. So Paris, it's another day. Today is Wednesday. That was yesterday. We were trying to set up some operation for water, and as you saw, we got a little wet today. No rain didn't fall, so we're still holding on. And from the 3rd, today is the 11th. From the 3rd of the month, I haven't got not even a speck. When I always say me talk about the PP water, well, I haven't got a speck of water from the 3rd of September in my pipe. Today is 9 days to be exact. The 3rd to the 10th is 1 week. Today is the 11th, 11 days. And there's no water. I don't know why. I don't know if other people know, but I honestly I don't know, and I don't know when. Me hear some people say it's another month before we can get water in this area. I don't know. I have no clue, but I'm helping myself. I'll have to think about a tank though, and once you think about a tank, you have to think about pump. Then again, you buy it. Is any water gonna come? But I'm just trying to show you. This is how I have to be working around it for now. And as I said before earlier, make sure you know leave your pipe run while you clean your teeth. Don't leave the pipe running while you go to take something from the refrigerator, wherever. Just make sure you try to conserve as much. I wasn't that person though. But can I tell you, it's sort of hard, really hard, because some people have it flowing in their pipes while some people in Jamaica don't. I don't know why it's like that. And honestly, as I go along, if I can bring for another video for you, or maybe just if I get the tank, you might just see me get my tank and get it put up and all of that. So it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. Can I tell you, this one lit me for 6 because I've never seen it like this before. But may I try work around it, and you know what happened? It is making me stronger. So glad too that the rains came. So what I got in the barrels, I can use it to flush the toilet. Cause you know our roof water, I do throw some chlorine in it, but I just use it because you know flushing the toilet is really critical. That is the most critical part. We can name some dryers and just make a little cup of tea, and it's what I'm saying. And we get a little egg wash with some bottled water, but to flush the toilet, it's critical. So I have a little in the bars, so I hope that the rainfall bigger and better. And until then, stay loved, stay blessed. And if you like the video, remember to give me some thumbs up. And if you want me to keep you updated on the water situation until I don't know, I'm not even sure if it will come back to normal in my area. Because the rains are falling. That is the most part of me not understanding. Know that the rains are falling, still not have none. Comment, tell me what you think about that rain that falls so from Friday every single day and no water. So that means I'm not joke, me never have water.